Here we are again at the AWS Management Console. In this demonstration, we're going to showcase how we can distribute traffic across multiple instances using an elastic load balancer. So firstly, we'll navigate back to the EC2 service. You'll see here that we have two running instances, instance A and instance B. We can access both of these instances directly using their public IP addresses in a web browser. They're both running a simple application, which shows their IP address in large writing so we can identify them after we create our load balancer. Our first step in this demonstration is to group these instances together by creating a target group. We'll give this target group a name and simply call it Instances Group. Then click Next. We'll then add both of these instances to our target group. Now that we have both instances added, we can then proceed to create our target group. Now that our target group is created, we can proceed to creating our load balancer to distribute traffic across the instances in our group. So we'll select Load Balancers, then Create Load Balancer. We're going to choose an application load balancer to distribute our web traffic. We'll give this load balancer a name and just simply call it JAX Elastic Load Balancer. We'll leave it as an internet facing and map the load balancer to distribute traffic across instances in all three availability zones in the region. We want to make this load balancer publicly accessible. So what I'll do is change the security group to one that allows inbound web traffic on port 80. Then I'll choose my target group so that any web traffic this load balancer receives on port 80 will be routed to the instances in the group. From here, I can then proceed to create my load balancer. It will take a moment for it to be provisioned, but once ready, I can access it using the DNS name of my new load balancer. So while refreshing my browser using the same DNS name, my load balancer is performing a round robin to distribute traffic to each of those instances registered in my target group.